Using Instacart for work versus personal tasks. Instacart can be used for both work-related and personal grocery shopping tasks. For work, it can be a convenient way to manage grocery needs for offices or events, especially when there is a need for specific items or dietary restrictions. Personally, it offers a time-saving solution for grocery shopping, especially for busy individuals or those with mobility challenges. In terms of using Instacart for work, basically it has office or evening catering, it has got special dietary needs, it has got some employee perks, and there is convenience and time-saving options. If you insist on using Instacart for personal uses, well, it has got first of all mobility issues because Instacart offers a convenient way to get groceries without leaving home, and then there's also the specific dietary needs, and there's impulse purchases and cost. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.